faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me.
Okay, it was a really long and hot day, but we got all of the wood, railing, and supports done for the main deck, and we got the pergola up and ready to go. And my sister and father-in-law came down from Iowa, 6-hour drive, to help us get this wrapped up, and none of us have done this before. That's my sister Lindsay, and she is a big old goofball just like me. I love her to death. And that is my father-in-law, Larry. They were both super helpful. In fact, you'll actually see moments where Kenny and I are just both standing there watching them. I don't know why we were watching them work on our deck, but yeah, that's what we did. They are super helpful, and I am so grateful that they were here to help us get this done. We had a lot of fun doing this when they were here. It didn't feel like so much work, and it's always more fun when you have family around to help you out with these huge undertakings that are new to you.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl.
wish I could remember what I was laughing about. Something was funny, and I laughed for a good 10 minutes. I can't remember what it was, but something was funny. This is day 3 of working on this deck. Today is another scorcher. It was over 100 degrees and very humid. Tomorrow is supposed to be much nicer, so that is when we're going to finish it up. We are working on just getting the main deck done today, and then the next day, still in this video, but later on in the video, we will be doing the deck off of the master bedroom. It has stairs on it, but we removed them because we just wanted it to be more of a private deck, and for some reason that is where UPS and FedEx always leave our packages, and I really just don't want strangers up on the deck outside my bedroom. I'm sure you can understand that, but we are just going to keep on going. Everybody's in on the action. That's Jackson here helping, and you probably even saw our Rottweiler Bear. He likes to be right in the middle of everything when we have company over. He loves that attention and will do anything to get it. And this is the master bedroom deck that I was saying that we were just going to finish up. The hummingbirds, you can see the hummingbird feeder there. The hummingbirds were dive bombing my husband and my father-in-law. It was so funny that they kept having to constantly duck out of the way, and they zoom right by your head, and we had a lot of hummingbirds. I'll show you that here in a little bit as well.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, had to reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go. So come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives.
Okay guys, this was actually terrifying to me. That is a real black widow. It is not one of those pseudo black widows. She's real. That's her egg sac there, and she's camped out under the top step going up to our bedroom deck. So she is awfully close to my bedroom, and I've been bit by a black widow when I was a kid, and it did some neurological damage, and so I don't want my son and my husband, my family and friends, or our pets to get bit by them. So I've asked my husband to please spray for them so we don't have any more surprises like that in the future. That wasn't a pleasant surprise. The hummingbirds that we had this weekend are an amazing surprise. I love them. There was over a dozen of them. I lost track when I was trying to count them, but my father-in-law said that he counted over a dozen. They were zooming by our heads while we were working on this deck, and then I got some pretty good shots of them that I'll show you here at the end of it, a little video clip of all of them over at the other feeders. I have to refill 3 bird feeders nearly every day, so these little guys are always out there drinking. So this is the end of this project here coming up, and we got it all done. It took us a couple of weekends of really hard work and long days, but it looks amazing, and my insurance is not going to be canceled now, and it's finally done. I love it. What do you guys think? I highly recommend doing the cable railing if you are at all interested in it. It's a lot easier than it looks, and it's a great DIY project.